What's up guys? I am back with another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make these really fun distressed stacked jeans. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Alright, so for this project you'll basically need two pair of jeans. Now, one pair of jeans are going to be just put on basically as regular jeans, and the other ones will be used to do the stack part of the bottom of the jeans. So the pair of jeans that you will have basically as your top, you just want to go in and distress them if they're not already distressed. I got these jeans from Forever 21 and they were like on sale, so they definitely weren't distressed. So I'm just kind of going in and shredding them up a little bit, and then I'll let you know when we get to the next step. Alrighty, so as you can see, the jeans to the right are a little more distressed, so those are the ones that are going to be at the top. I'm just going to cut a little bit of the bottom of them off. I didn't have a specific way that I did this, I just kind of cut them off, and if you look throughout the video, I don't know if I showed it or not, but I just kept trying them on. So I cut a little bit of the bottom off, and I'm probably going to go back and cut a little bit more down. But you just don't want your pants to be too long, because you still have to add those other jeans at the bottom, and you still want to have that ruffle effect. So just kind of cut those down basically to like a capri. Alrighty, so now we're going to switch over to that other pair of jeans. These are going to be used to make our stack effect at the bottom. So first things first, we're just going to go ahead and chop a little bit out the bottom of those like we did the other jeans. Because as we said, this is basically going to be double the length of the pants. So you're still going to have to cut a little bit of that off just to make sure that it's not overly ruffled. Or shall I say overly stacked. And then our next step is we're just going to go right here where that zipper is. If you can see, I'm pulling to break that zipper, and I'm going to slip another notch. I didn't want to mess my scissors up, but you want to just kind of get that zipper unhooked, and then after that you're going to go ahead and just cut down that center seam, and that's going to be the part that goes at the bottom of your pants. So as you can see, I'm going to take those scissors and I cut right down the center of those pants. Alrighty, so here I'm just trying on my pants just to see where they fall. So as you can see, like I said earlier, I kind of cut the jean that will just be normally put on to about a capri, as you can see, and then I'm going to take my other jeans and actually just step into them to see how much ruffling I get. So I wanted a good bit of ruffling. I wanted these pants to be kind of dramatic, but I didn't want to just like overdo it. So as you can see, I'm folding those jeans down, and that extra that I'm folding down, I'm going to go back and cut that a little bit more. So it's no real science to it. You just got to kind of play around with it and just kind of keep trying them on and see what's enough ruffle for you and then what's too much. So I'm using my permanent marker to just kind of mark that out on those pants, and I'm going to cut the other pants leg the exact same way. Alrighty, so now that I got the ruffling to my liking, I'm going to go in and just cut that little extra part, you know, where your butt goes. I'm just going to cut that little extra piece out, and that'll help give it more of that jean, like a bottom of the pants flare effect versus it be like I just cut a pair of jeans in half and sewed it to my pants. So we're gonna cut that little extra piece off, and don't worry, because after we cut that off, we're gonna go back and sew back up that area. Now for me, I still left a little bit of it open on the side, because to me that's what gives like that stack look. But I didn't want it to be open that much, so I'm basically gonna go in, and if you see it a little later, you're gonna see me pinning it down, and I'm just gonna pin it down and sew that opening back closed. As you can see, my dog wanted to like see exactly what was going on. But I just took those pants legs that we used from the top of the other pants, and you're gonna flip those right sides to right sides and sew them to the top of the jeans. Now you want to make sure that your slit openings are on the outside of the jeans. So as you can see here, I'm just flattening it out, and hopefully based off the way we cut it earlier, for me everything kind of lined up. There were a few little like bumps here and there, but for the most part everything lined up flat when sewing this seam. But just go ahead and flip it inside out and sew those seams right sides to right sides. Alright, and this is also just an extra tip. I realized that the pockets kept coming open, the pockets that are at the bottom of the pants kept coming open. So what all I did was just went and sewed those pockets at the bottom of the pants closed. Now, not the pockets at the top, because you need those, but I sewed the pockets of like the upside down look. I sewed those down closed. Alrighty, well, thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys end up doing some jeans like this, please make sure that you tag me so I can see you guys' results.
Yeah, yeah.